Hello everyone, this is your guy Primers and welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to show you my most useful workflow which I use literally every day. So here we go. So as you can see, it's my WhatsApp AI agent. Now let's break down it. Let's break it down. Let's see how does I made my SAM, why it's so useful. So first we go to WhatsApp trigger, then the switch node. As you know, the WhatsApp trigger gets the message whenever we send it. Then the switch node, it checks if it's a text, audio, image, document or video. Then if it's a media, it will download it. Media means audio, image, documents or video. It downloads the media, then it downloads the media, it converts the URL into a binary format, then it going to transcribe recording, analyze image, analyze document, analyze video. And if it's go to text, it goes to this node, if node. Now let me tell you what does it do. After if node checks if it's a URL or just a simple text. If it's a simple text, it goes through false and direct to our agent. But if it's a URL, let's say a YouTube video, so it will transcribe it, then it will go to set node, then it will go to our AI agent. Now as you can see, this is our main brain and it has a lot of tools. Let's go to one by one. I use Gemini and OpenRouter. I use DeepSeek for OpenRouter free one. And this is our simple memory, calculator, SERP API tool, and call and attend workflow. We will break down this later. Wikipedia, Perplexity, and Tably tools. Then we have agents, AI agent tools. So this one does weather and news. It gives us latest news and weather using Upper Weather and Hacker News and SERP API news. Then our scraping and crawling agent. So by scraping means if I send a something different, let's say not a video, but a link of let's say a Reddit post or something, it will search, it will break down from here. Let's say if it's a single page, then it will use scrape ops to scrape that single page, but it is a, let's say it's a website, then it will use crawl to break down to give us the data of multiple pages. Then it is a, then you see there is another call workflow. This is a call meme maker. What does this do? It creates memes for me and automatically upload to X. Now this is our social media agent. What does it do? It searches social media. If we want any content, it says Reddit, YouTube, Instagram and X. It search tweets and user data in X, and for Reddit it can even search subreddit and comments. Now we go to travel agent. It gives us hotels and flights information. Then we can go to our second tool. This is a Gemini search tool. Sorry, it's not second tool. So this is Gemini search tool. It uses Gemini to search. Just like you saw the Perplexity tool, it does the same thing but using Gemini. And now you can see it is a ScrapeOps Amazon search tool. So this tool is used for searching products in Amazon. Then is Task MCP client. So it's just an MCP tool which I use to manage my Google tasks. And Zapier MCP client, as you know, Zapier has a lot of tools we can use. And this is date and time tool to give us the current date and time. Yeah, so Zapier, I will go break down this later as well. And browser agent. So as you can see, this agent is to access our browser. Yeah, my SAM can access browser. Yeah, and also I named my AI agent Sam. So this is the brain. It has information of every tool, and you can see what my browser agent can do: query, load URL, type, start browser, end session, click tool and click. Then you can see a code node. So in WhatsApp, there is a limitation of only 4,000 texts our AI agent can send. But with code node, it can break down the above limit and send our message in chunks. Then is our send the message tool which sends back the message. So this is my whole AI agent. Now let's break down the workflow tools. Now let's go to first call N8N workflow tool. Okay, so this is my workflow. Let's go there as our workflow is loading. And this is my backend workflow. So what does this do? It manages my calendar, my Notion, my Google Sheets, Slack, Airtable, Discord, and Google Docs, Google Drive, and Google Mail. It manages my literally everything. It's so cool that it can so research so much data, it can give me news, it can get access to any link, it can also search in social media, it can search for flights and hotels, it can search via Gemini, Perplexity, it can search Amazon tools and Task MCP. So this is basically an MCP tool for Google Task and Zapier MCP. Since Zapier has a lot of tools we can use, date and time tool and browser agent. Yeah, this tool, this AI agent, this is my personal Jarvis or Friday, whatever you call it. It can access my entire browser. It can travel. It can give me travel. Like I said, it does everything. That's why I use it every day. Now let's go to my second workflow, which is a call meme maker. So what does this do? It creates memes for me. Let me show you. This is my best AI agent because it does everything for me and I use it every day. So it gets start from here, it gets a verb, execute for workflow, then it get meme templates, split out, it filters, sort, limit, then it goes to our AI agent as you can see. Then it goes to JavaScript, then edit, final meme creation, then it gets media ID from X. Yeah, you can use Telegram as well. Like I said, it is very useful. If let's say you don't get the WhatsApp credentials or API, you can use Telegram instead. Yes, then it sends the message, it sends the image, then it asks for approval if whether we want to upload it on X or not. Then if we let's say reject it, then it will send a message that no worries, if you want another meme you can type another. Then if we say yes, it will create a tweet, get URL of the X post, then it will send us the message. So this is my meme maker workflow. And I will also show you my Zapier MCP client. So as you can see, this is my MCP server and it has the same tools which I used in DatePer workflow. The calendar, Notion and Sheets, everything it has, and it has some extra tools like ClickUp, Zoom, Google Contacts, Tables, Analytics, Google Meet, Google Tasks. I also have an MCP, Task MCP, I'll show you. So this is my tasks. So it just create tasks, delete tasks, get many, update tasks. So we are back to our AI agent. So we are back to our AI agent. As you can see, this is my AI agent. It does everything. It has a lot of tools access. As you can see, it has date per, it has a lot of things, meme maker, and it is my personal Jarvis, just like I said. It does everything. If you want, let's give it a demo. Let's try it out. So hey Sam, it has responded, hey boss, my savage greeting. भाई तूने सैम बोला और मैं इंस्टेंटली एक्टिव हो गया. करंट सैम स्टेटस, ऑल सिस्टम ऑपरेशनल, ब्राउजर एक्सेस, ईमेल ऑटोमेशन, कैलेंडर ऑल ग्रीन. वाई सैम इज ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर एक्शन. भाई मैं तेरा अल्टीमेट सैवेज एआई एजेंट हैं, रेडी फॉर. व्हाट्स ऑन योर माइंड बॉस. क्या कोई स्पेसिफिक टास्क है, ईमेल भेजना है, मीटिंग शेड्यूल करनी है, वेब ऑटोमेशन चाहिए? TLDR, hey boss, Sam is ready and waiting for your next command. Let's create some chaos together. क्या चल रहा है, मैं रेडी हूँ बॉस. सो या If you want, I can give you a breakdown of tools, how my Sam uses them, but this is enough for today's video. That's it for today's video. All right.